Welcome. This is a 10-minute full body yoga class that you can do any time of the day. As always, feel free to modify or skip any poses that don't feel right. We'll begin standing at the top of the mat. Inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, release them back down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release them back down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, take a fold option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back, come up as high as you need. Exhale, stepping the left foot back. Take your time here, inhaling the hands up overhead. Embrace the wiggles and shakes. Also, you can hold on to something, a wall, a chair. No worries, whatever you need. Taking your focus into that front foot, into the balls of the feet in the back. And we'll take a big step here, coming into your warrior three, taking that left heel in line with the left hip. Trying to keep your hips square here. Again, feel free to hold on to something. Inhale as you draw that knee up towards the chest, hands reach up. You can stay here or take a twist towards the left, opening up the upper body, keeping the hips nice and square, so just twisting to your own ability. Option to take your right hand to the outside of that left knee. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, release that foot back down to the mat, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, stepping the right foot back this time. Embracing the wiggles and shakes, inhaling the hands up overhead. All those wiggles and shakes, it is growth. Just tune into the body, observing more, reacting less. Big hop here, coming into your warrior three. Checking in with the body, notice if the hips are square or not. Square off those hips. So keeping the hip bones in line with each other. Inhale, reaching that knee up towards the chest, hands reach up. On an exhale, go ahead and take your twist, just twisting to your own ability. You can even place that left hand to the outside of the right knee. Again, observe more, react less. Don't be too hard on yourself here. Feel free to fall out of the pose. And we'll inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, release. Come to standing. Take a moment, shake it out. Inhale, sit the hips low, reach the hands up. Engage the core. Exhale, sweep the arms forward and back. Inhale the chair. Exhale, lowering the hips all the way down towards the mat. Take your time here, engage that core. Coming into boat pose, you can have the hands to the backs of the thighs, feet on the mat. Or you can start to lean back, engage the core, lift the heels in line with the knees. You can reach the hands forward or just begin to lower all the way down, coming down to your back. Big stretch here. And we'll bend the knees, take the feet mat width distance. And just begin to gently rock the knees side to side, rolling over the glutes, the lower back. Notice how you feel here. Notice how the lower back is feeling, the core. Notice how the legs are feeling, the glutes. Great. Whenever you're ready, we'll bring the big toes to touch. Allow the knees to fall open. Bottoms of feet will naturally come to touch for a supine butterfly pose. Option here to place pillows underneath the knees for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the belly. Biggest breath you've taken today. And as you exhale, softening the mid-back and the lower back. Softening the groin, the inner thighs, the knees, the feet, the ankles, the toes.
Tell me where you day, Lati Saturday. I go meet you day, cause I miss you every day. Call me any day, I'll be on my way. I'm one call away, no matter the situation. Girl, I'm not sure, keep my action. Don't do too much, I love you with passion. Jessica, Jennifer, family last.
We'll go ahead and lift the knees. Crossing the left knee over the left leg over the right. You can stay right here if that's enough, or you can draw both knees in towards the chest, grabbing opposite ankles here, or just hugging the knees. Option to gently rock side to side. And we'll release. Switching sides, take your time here, staying wherever you feel most comfortable. And we'll gently release. Taking your feet to the bottom of the mat, hands to your sides, palms facing up. Allowing yourself this one moment out of your day, out of your practice to just be. To be here with the body in its fully relaxed and present state. Know that you are worthy of this time. And this space is here for you anytime that you need. We'll rest here a few moments. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, maybe rocking the head, bending the knees. Rolling over towards your right, less pressure on the heart. We'll take a full inhale and exhale. We'll gently come up to a comfortable seat, whatever that looks like for you. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a like down below. It lets me know what you'd like me to make more of. Share the video if you can with your loved ones or on your social media. It really helps to get the videos out there to people who might not have discovered it otherwise. Today's question is all about what music do you love to listen to? It could be during your practice, could be off the mat, could be just when you're walking the dog or when you're in your zone, cleaning the house. Let's share some recommendations, some good music. I will let you know down below. I will actually link my Spotify for different playlists that I love to use during my yoga practice. I am honored to share this time with you, and I really appreciate that you share your time here with me.